And in the same vision, the Lord takes me to Gambia, and I am able to see it was somewhere in the villages of Gambia in a dispensary where women were bringing their babies, and when they were given a certain syrup, they were dying. And so I have seen babies dying in Gambia when they take a certain syrup. This will depict indeed. These are the end times, because you see, the same thing that happened with the Egyptians is the same thing that is happening now. These are the last days. Such things should really preach to you that indeed the Lord is coming back, and that you need to return to Him. There is the need to return to the Lord in these last days. Even as you continue with your day-to-day activities, there is the need to return to the Lord. May the Lord bless you. I'm Pastor Ken. God bless you.